I'm just a simple girl that likes to be extra. Alright guys, it's your girl LaShane Lavon here, and I'm back again with another video. And as you see by the title, today's video is going to be on how I achieve this cut, crease, pink and purple makeup look. So the first thing you see I'm doing here is just filling in my eyebrows. This is nothing new. If you are familiar with my channel, you know I'm using the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Pencil and then the Maybelline Fiber Brow Precise Fiber stuff. I don't know why I couldn't talk, but that's what I'm using. That's nothing new on here, but that's what I'm using on my eyebrows. And I'm about to clean it up with the Bare Pro Minerals Concealer in the color Tan Deep, I believe, or Tan Dark, excuse me. And I'm gonna also prime my eyes with this as well. One trick I seen on one of the YouTube, I can't remember who I first seen it from, but I'm just setting that concealer with some powder, and that powder was the Maybelline Fit Me powder in Toffee. Now you see me taking my BH Cosmetics Weekend palette. The first color I am using is Swag. I am pressing that on my crease, and then I am going to blend that out with the pink shade called Dippie. And this look was inspired by something. I did something similar to this look, or tried to do something similar to this look for BeautyCon. So this is where I kind of wanted to recreate it, but with a little more spice, a little more oomph. So that's where I got the inspiration from. Right now you see me putting Wicked on the inner and outer corner of my eye, and then I'm going to be taking some concealer. I'm using a different concealer. This is a Maybelline concealer. I want to say it is the Master Concealer, and this shade is a little bit too light for me. That's why I use it on here, but this is the color Medium. And you see when I look up, I got that trick off YouTube again, because you know your girl got hooded eyes. So I was like, I'm gonna actually try to use that and see if it worked, and it actually worked. So I'm gonna definitely be using that little trick again in future makeup looks. So what you see me putting on top of that concealer is Spirit, still in the same BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm just making sure everything is nice and blended. Going back in some more with that Wicked, just making sure everything looks seamless and cut. And you see me I'm putting that same Spirit on in my inner tear duct. Sorry guys, I am a little out of frame on here. I wanted to put the camera up close so you can just really focus on my eyes, but I seen that I was looking like actually down in the mirror, and it was putting me off frame. But for the most part, y'all can pretty much see what I'm doing on here. And then under my eye, I just took that same Dippie color and kind of just swept that under my eye and just connected it to, y'all know what I'm trying to say. Y'all see what I did. Like, I'm not an expert of what all these other terms are, but I just kind of like swept it and connected it to the pink in on top of my eye, I guess. And what you see me doing here is I'm putting the CoverGirl the big super big curl mascara. This mascara is alright. I just picked this up, and then on top of that I'm using the e.l.f. 3-in-1 mascara. Right now I'm just cleaning up any little mistakes I had. I see my pink was trying to like get into my eyebrows, so I was just cleaning that up with some concealer. Alright, so about here I'm pretty much done with the eyes. I'm gonna do everything else off camera. So I'm just like really like looking at my eyes, making sure everything's good. Like I said, just blending everything out, making sure everything's okay. Nothing's not touching that ain't supposed to be touching, or blending where it's supposed to be blending, things of that nature. So that's what I was doing there. And I'm gonna do my foundation and everything off camera. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I hope you like it. If you do, please like, comment, and if you really like what you see, definitely don't forget to subscribe. I will really appreciate it. We're on a road to 1,000. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you have a blessed week, and I'll see you in my next video.